Good job, X. Good job, bro.
2 chicken.
Thank you, sir. 2 chicken.
Thank you. I'll take them on the grill. Thank you.
This is it right here, the dinner? Right here, my guy? Yeah, look beautiful. Looks beautiful. X, thank you.
Thank you.
Dukes, one more time. That is the dinner?
Yep.
Thank you, sir. Behind you. Thank you. Oh.
Now well?
What's that?
Now well?
No, I just want it to be higher, right? You don't want it to look dead.
Okay.
Looks better on the plate higher.
Thank you.
It's perfect. Thank you. Mel, you okay, babe? Thank you, madam. You, sir.
Yeah.
Take this. What else you need with this? You have another. Yo, X, how long on 2 more chicken?
I got one.
You got 1. I look 2. I look 2.
One more coming in 30 seconds.
That's 2 all day? Is that 2 all day, X?
One more. Oh, yeah.
Awesome. 2 all day. Dip them and put them back in the safe, please. And I'm going to come get them from there just like the other ones. Thank you. You got them?
No, not yet.
Thank,
30 seconds.
thank you, sir.
I got 2.
Thank you. Put them back in the safe, bro. Yo, clean black tongs. Clean black tongue. Thank you, sir. Clean black tongue. Clean it, please. Thank you, sir. X, where are they? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So wood. It's from the oregano, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I need the pork with it. I'll bring the rest of the...
Yo, bring your thermometer, Yugi. He's good. He's good. He's good. He's good. Good job, Xavier. T, dinners.
1 minute on the fries.
That's the change. You see it already, right, T? Thank you. 1 minute on the fries. Yes, you, sir. T, that's the one. Good job, Adam. Thank you. Thank you. I got it. There you go, sir. Good job. Good job, bro.
Is he on dishes?
Yo, you got the dark sheet for that? Yeah, he's on dishes. You got a dark sheet for this, Hughes? 2 dark sheets, right? Yeah. See, that's a perfect example that it's remember we said 99% share it?
Yeah.
Perfect example, right? Because that's for the second person.
Yeah.
You understand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job, my guy. Thank you. That's it, right? Yes. First up, team 1 minute extra. Danskis. Yep. Good job, T. T, am I putting you ready for pickup for that one or no?
Yeah.
For this one?
Yeah.
And for this one?
Yeah.
They're both from Crazy Greek, and that's from Crazy Greek. Thank you, madam.